Hello everyone, let's solve this fun one for today. If anyone is interested, try to solve this question and comment down the answer below. Let's have a look at the question. In this question, we have to find the area of the shaded part, that is which I marked in the red color. I mean the area of the triangle. Let's dive into the solution. Now we have two squares 1 and 2 which is having the area of 16 and 36. So area of S1 square is 16 square units and area of S2 is 36 square units. We know the area of the square formula, right? Area of the square formula is side square. So if we are using this formula, we can find side of square 1 is equals to 4 units and side of square 2 is equals to 6 units. As in square, all sides are equal. I am representing them on the square. Now let's mark some points in the diagram. I am naming this one as A, here it is B, here it is C, and it is D, and this one as E. Now I am trying to bring out two similar triangles from this entire diagram, that is triangle ABC and triangle DEC. Now let's prove these two triangles are similar. In this triangle, here it is 90 degrees and here it is 90 degrees. So two of these corresponding angles are similar, and here also these two angles are similar because those are vertically opposite angles. We know, right, when two lines intersect there are two pair of vertically opposite angles will form. So those angles are equal. From angle similarity we can say both these triangles are similar, right? I am bringing out both the triangles for more clarification. Now we know in similar triangle the ratio of corresponding sides are similar, right? Now I am writing the relation AB by DE is equals to BC divided by DC. In this ratio we know two values. BC value is 4 and DE value is 6. Let's substitute those values. AB divided by 6 is equals to 4 divided by DC. Let's cross multiply both of them. So now AB multiplied by DC is equals to 4 times 6, which is equals to 24, right? This is one of our findings to find the area of the triangle ACD. Let's keep this one aside. Now consider the triangle ACD. So the area for the formula of the triangle is half times base times height, right? Here we can consider DC as the base of this triangle, right? Here I am marking it in green color, DC. So half times DC times height. Now we have to figure out the height. Now can I consider the part AB as the height of the triangle ACD, right? So I am writing AB in place of H. So half times DC times AB. Now from our previous finding we know the value of DC times AB, right, which is equals to 24. So if I am substituting the 24 value here, half times 24 is equals to 12 unit square. So the area of the triangle which is shaded in the red color ACD is 12 unit square. If you like this explanation, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.